Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up some stuff from Home Depot for my wife's garden, the drip system stuff. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I picked up some stuff from Home Depot. I picked up the Milwaukee Smart Swipe, their gloves. What are they? They are item number 48-22-8712. They're large. They're free flex. They have the elastic cuff. The box said they were $12.97. They actually rang up as $9.97. I picked these up because we picked up some PVC pipe, and I didn't want, when I touched the pipe with my hands, you can see my hands are kind of dirty. Looked like there was steel shavings all over them, steel dust. But to show you what I picked up, get this bag out the way. And this is for the drip system that I'm going to be making for my wife's garden since we're amending the dirt. So, other thing also, before I get into this, Home Depot has one of these gorilla carts, the 12 cubic foot super heavy duty poly dump cart. This cart is $239 and it's a 12 cubic foot, and the 10 cubic foot is $235. So it's 1005 712-635 is the part number for that cart. It comes up as 12 cubic foot. It's unavailable in Queen Creek, but can schedule delivery for $79. But the other cart, the one that I'm talking about, that's 10 cubic foot, that my Queen Creek store has like 5 of. They have one in a box, and they have like 3 or 4 already assembled carts. This one's 1,500 pound capacity, and it's a 10 cubic foot cart. It's Go R10-16 is the model number. 1002 150 814 is the store SKU number. It's got pneumatic tires, but for this one's $235, like I was saying. The other one's $239. For exactly $4 more, you get 2 more cubic feet. It'd make more sense to get the bigger cart. If anybody's used the 10 cubic foot, 1,500 pound capacity gorilla cart, let me know. Or if you guys have used the 12 cubic foot, that's $4 more, let me know. I am interested in buying one for my wife's gardening stuff. But let's get into it. So I picked up 6 crosses. Figure they're all 3/4. Picked up 6 of them. There's 2, 4, and 6. And I picked these up just in case I need to go around a corner, but I actually need the other side, and it's easiest way to, because what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be running PVC against the wall, and then I'll just run straight lines every so many feet, and we're going to put the drippers on those lines, which is what these guys are for. These are gonna pop the seal on these. So these are 3/4 by 1/2 inch thread. So these are going to go in line in the pipe. So I'm going to be running straight line against the wall. So the wall goes this way. And then these are going to come off. And pick these up so they can be threaded in here. And then the sprinkler can go, or the dripper can thread on here, so we can bury the pipe, you know, 2 or 3 inches. That way it's just not sitting in the sun and rotting. So I picked up 40 of these 1/2 inch by 2 inch PVC risers. 40 of those. There's 40 of these 3/4 by 3/4 by 1/2 inch tees. That's these 2 buckets right here. Then I got 6 of the crosses, and then I got 40 end caps. I'm more than likely not going to need all the end caps, but you know, the end caps, these were $20, 21 bucks for 40 of them. I'm going to need to end cap all of the straight lines that these tees are going to go into. So, going to be running, as an example, we're going to be running across the wall, and then I'm going to be shooting every so many feet, just straight pipe. And then I'm gonna cut the pipe into 2 sections, and I'm gonna put 2 of these tees in, so that way 2 drippers are gonna be on each pipe. And then I picked up also, other than the Milwaukee gloves that I used, picked up another 200 feet of PVC. So I did a video about this PVC pipe right here a while back. It's still bundled, sitting right here the whole time. I knew I didn't have enough pipe to do the drip system then, so I picked up 2 more bundles, so it's a total of 300 feet. But we're doing 2 sections. It's not going to be just against the wall. I also tilled a section in the about 3 feet away. It's going to be about 3 or 4 feet wide. So there's all of the garden against the wall. And let me grab a light. Grab a battery and I'll show you guys. Put you guys down real quick. Alright. Alright. This is just the Milwaukee M18 twist oval light. Alright, so here's the section that was amended against the wall. So we're going to be running it to the spigot, because I have a 4-way spigot right there. Be running the pipe on one of those inlet lines or outlet lines on the spigot, running it against the wall, and then I'm going to be technically running pipe this way every so many feet, and we're going to have 2 of those tees in here to have 2 drippers, and they're going to be 8-way drippers, so you'll be able to do 16 lines per pipe, and it's going to be running around this corner of the wall all the way down this section, all the way down to the end here. And this section from the corner of the wall down there to here is like 25 feet, 26 feet, something like that. So it's going to terminate in this section. So we're going to have basically a line here in this blank section, and a line here, and a line here, and a line here, all the way down. But this section right here that's tilled, all this mound of dirt, all this dirt has to be moved. All this dirt came out of here, and this isn't amended right here, but this section right here is. So I have enough bags to amend the rest of this and all of this right here. So you can imagine, and I'm going to be separating them, so from this corner all the way to the end over there against the wall is going to be on one of those spigots, and then I'm going to be running a line under the ground right here, and it's going to come over here and it's going to wrap around this section in a sense, and they're just going to be straight lines all the way across. And that's going to be on another section of that spigot. So two of the spigots are going to be used by PVC pipe. One's going to be empty and one's going to be attached to the hose. So we'll be able to do 3 PVC sections off of that splitter in a sense. That way, if this is section against the wall, can be watered separately from this section right here. So just wanted to give you guys a look at what's going on. I'll probably be using the miter saw to cut the PVC pipe just to make it quick and straight cuts. But if you guys want to see a video on that, you guys just let me know if you want to see a video on me cutting the PVC and doing all of that. But just a quick update. So I got 300 feet of pipe, but you know, you imagine you're going 20 feet, but you're putting drippers in, attaching several tees, you know, 2 tees per section. So probably going to need more tees than that, but this is what I picked up for now. I'm pretty sure the total amount is going to be about 40 drippers, 40 8-way drippers more than likely. And the drippers are expensive. They're the 8-way drippers with the adjustable flow for each dripper. I think I picked up 5 or 6 the last time, but we're gonna need about 40 of them. Could need more, I don't know. Won't know until I get everything set up and all of these connected and it mocked up to find out exactly how much we do need. But the drippers are, the 8-way drippers are expensive, you know, for they're $6.84 a piece, so times 40, it's $273 just for the drippers, and 60 cents. That's just for the drippers. So the PVC pipe and all of this was like 160 bucks. So, and then you tack on $20 more for the 100 foot of PVC pipe I originally had. You know, you're talking $180. If you minus the $10 for the gloves, $170 just for the PVC stuff. You know, and that's all the risers, the block off caps, you know, the tees, the crosses, and I do have some, you know, 90-degree just elbows, which is just a half of these tees. I have a couple of these also. So I'll bring you guys along if I can record it and I have time to record it. But just wanted to show you guys what was picked up, what's going on. If you guys have, you know, any better ideas, you know, some of you guys are, you know, landscapers and stuff like that. You guys watch my channel. Maybe you guys have a better idea on the drip system. You know, if you guys do have better ideas, let me know. But otherwise, you know, this is what I've came up with. I originally was going to do squares running off the main line. So, you know, there would have been a square running straight to the main pipe. So it would have been pipe coming off, coming around, and then coming back to the main pipe. And that would just allow the water to circulate through that section. But it also requires way more pipe. And the other thing is it would take longer for the water to be running to fill that pipe, because we're talking almost 34 feet total in length if you include going around the corner. Almost, yeah, about 30 feet, maybe 32 max, just for that one section. So if you do squares every, you know, 3 feet as an example, then you're adding, you know, in the water in the 3/4 pipe, you're adding another several pounds per section, which will take it longer to fill, will take it longer to physically start the drippers to start dripping. But this is what I picked up. Figured I'd give you guys an update. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out the channel for the day. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links. my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And top of the description below, I do have an Olsa Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it does get you 10% off your order at olsatools.com. Also kicks me back 10% off of my next order, so you guys save a little money. It saves me money. Win-win. If you guys need it, go ahead and use it. If you don't, it's no big deal. Do appreciate everybody's time. Thank you guys to the subscribers and everybody else. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!